Hello, and welcome to WMW's Weekly Newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, California cuts into thefts by cardboard gangsters. Prince William County in Virginia is to build a major new composting facility. And Unilever achieves zero non-hazardous waste to landfill. With a program of sunrise surveillance, authorities in California are hoping to curtail the growing problem of cardboard theft.
Just before dawn, investigators launch a stakeout in San Bernardino County, California.
If it looks like he's going home after the first stop, then we'll take him down. We'll get him. We won't wait for a second stop.
They're tracking thieves who are turning another man's trash into their own treasure.
The recycle center's right here on Slover, and you can see the truck coming out from there now.
The coveted loot, cardboard.
We're going to go after him. We're going to go eastbound. It's going to be a green Chevy.
The problem isn't just contained to California. When the economy booms, cardboard prices spike. Manufacturers need more packaging for their goods. Thieves can net up to $200 a ton.
Well, what they do is they go to the local stores, shopping centers, they enter the recycle bins, and they take the cardboard. They stack it up in their little trucks or big trucks, whichever it might be, and ultimately they take that cardboard and turn it in for money for themselves.
Cardboard placed in recycling bins is considered the property of the local waste hauling company. In some areas, up to 3/4 of the cardboard disappears before the haulers arrive, cutting into their revenue, which in turn could mean higher prices for the service.
It's difficult for companies like us, Burtech Waste Industries, to offer low or no cost programs because they're offset by the value of the commodities within the container.
That's why authorities are cracking down on cardboard theft. This man had his haul confiscated pending further investigation. As authorities warn, taking another person's trash could land you in a heap of trouble. Maggie Mazzetti, Associated Press.
In Prince William County, Virginia, an 80,000 tonne per year composting facility is to be built alongside an outdated existing facility. Tom Smith, Solid Waste Division Chief for the county's Public Works, explains more.
The new organic waste processing facility will be located here at our Ballsford Road compost facility. Currently, we are using low-tech operations to make windrows and turn the piles and make compost. The new facility will use an advanced aerobic composting technology where the leaves and the grass will be mixed and placed in large bunkers, and those bunkers will have a series of pipes underneath it in order that air can be drawn through the piles, constantly monitored by computer. So it's a much more efficient operation, a much cleaner operation. All the air will go through biofilters, so any odors will be controlled in a much more efficient fashion, as well as to be able to process a lot more. The process right now takes 6 to 9 months. Under this new system, we can have compost within 30 to 45 days. This facility will benefit our residents by, number one, providing a greater opportunity for them to recycle and divert their organic waste, yard waste, leaves, grass, brush, as well as potentially food waste. Based upon studies we have done, approximately 30% of the waste going into the landfill is organics, leaves, grass, food waste, etc. If we can divert that waste to this facility to make usable products, we can increase the landfill life by approximately 10 to 15 years. We're going to phase into construction so that the current operation will continue while they build the new facility in phases, so it will not impact current operations. And the actual construction will take approximately 2 years to finish.
Unilever has achieved one of its key sustainability targets of sending zero non-hazardous waste to landfill from its global factory network. Tony Dunnage, Zero Landfill project leader for the company, tells us how they did it.
Impact. In 2010, we launched the Unilever Sustainable Living Plan. One of our most important goals was to get all factories to zero waste to landfill by 2020. Previously, it took us 15 years to bring 40 sites to zero, but in 4 years we have achieved zero at 200 more factories. This is 20 times faster and 6 years ahead of target. You might wonder how we did it. In 2008, waste was equivalent in volume to 30 Big Bens. A zero waste mindset was needed to eliminate this waste, ensuring we don't misuse the Earth's natural resources. First, we reduced waste at origin. By doing so, we contributed €200 million of savings to reinvest back into the business. Remaining waste was converted into something useful by recycling into substitute materials, organic fertiliser and green energy.
For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.